Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Here we are going to discuss exercise 6 question number 21 to 26 of M.L.aggarwal class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to solve question number 21, which says that a person invested some money at 12% simple interest and some other money at 10% simple interest. He received yearly interest of rupees 1300. If he had interchanged the amounts, he would have received 40 more as yearly interest. How much did he invest at different rates? So, let firstly the amount of money which he spent is means he invested is amount of money invested be x and y respectively. So firstly, here we will uh, calculate its interest. So it will be 12 into x divided by 100 plus 10 into y divided by 100 equal to 1300. So this we can solve here. 12x plus 10y equal to 1300 here, and this we will cancel out. So it will be 6x plus 5y equal to 1300 here. We will cancel out this part, so it will be 65,000. 6x plus 5y equal to 65,000. So let it be the first equation, and now the second equation will be by interchanging the amount here, like 10 x here and upon 100. So on calculating, this will be 40 more simple interest as compared to the previous one. So this will be 10x upon 100 plus 12y upon 100 equal to 1340, as 40 we have added in this value. Now we can solve this part as 10x plus 12y equal to 1340 into 100 as 000. Again we will take 2 common here, so this will be 5x plus 6y equal to 1340 100. This will be cancel out 67,000. So 5x plus 6y equal to 67,000. Now we will add and subtract these equations to find the value of x and y, means the amount invested. So let us solve here in this part. So firstly we will add here, adding first and second equation here. We will get 11x plus 11y equal to 65,000 plus 67,000. So it will be approximately 5 plus 7 as 12, and 7 plus 6 here as 13. So this will be the answer. We will take 11 common from here. We will divide this number with 11. On dividing it, we will get 2 and here 0. So x plus y is equal to 12,000. Let it be the third equation here. Now we will subtract here the first and second equation to find out the new equation. 6x minus 5x from here is x plus 5y minus 6y minus y equal to 65,000 minus 67,000. So this will be minus 2,000. Now we can simply add these equations, third and fourth. On adding third and fourth, y will be cancelled out. So here on solving, we will get as this will be cancelled out, 2x equal to 12,000 minus 2,000. So it will be approximately 10,000. We will cancel out this part, and here we will get as 5,000 as the first amount which he invested at 12% simple interest and some other amount at 10%. So the other amount now we have to find. So by putting in this equation or this equation, we can find the value of y. So let us put the value of x as putting x is equal to 5,000 in third, we will get the value of y. We will get y here. So y is equal to 12,000 minus 5,000. From here it is equal to 7,000. So this is the final answer here in this question. Let us write it. Hence, here it is x is equal to 5000 and y is equal to 7000 is the final answer here in this question. So firstly, he has invested 5,000. Secondly, the second amount which he invested is 7,000. This is the final answer here in this question. Let us solve the 22nd question here, which says that a shopkeeper sells a table at 8% profit and a chair at 10% discount, thereby getting 1008. If he had sold the table at 10% profit and chair at 8% discount, he would have got rupees 20 more than the previous value. Find the cost price of the table and the list price of the chair. So let the cost price of table be X and let the cost price of share equal to Y. So let us write it according to the first condition as X 108 divided by 100 plus Y uh, 90 divided by 100 equal to 1008. We can write it as 108x plus 90y equal to 100800. So here on solving this part, we will get as taking here common as 18. So this will be 6x plus 5y equal to 5600. Uh, Sorry, we will divide this 1008 by 18. So here we will get 6x plus 5y equal to 5600 as the first equation. Now, according to the second condition here we have x 100 10% profit, so it will be 110 divided by 100 plus 8% discount. So it will be 92y divided by 100 equal to 1028. Now we can write this part as 110x plus 92y equal to 102800. Here we will take 2 as common, so it will be 55x plus 46y equal to 51400. This will be cancelling out, so 2 5 700. 55x plus 46y equal to 25700. Putting it as the second equation here, we will firstly multiply here with 6 and this with 55 to cancel out x from here and to find out the value of y. So here we will get 330x plus on solving, sorry, here it is 51400 only on cancelling this part. So this will be 51400. We can write here as 51400 only. So here it will be on solving. Here it will be 275y equal to 5600 into 55 as 308,000 and here 330x plus 276y equal to 308400. So on subtracting these values, this will be cancelled out. Here we will get minus y equal to minus 400. So 400 is equal to the value of the chair, price of chair, cost price of chair. Now we can find the value of x from this first equation on putting the value of y. So x is equal to 5600 minus 5y divided by 6. So 5600 minus 2000 divided by 6 is equal to 5400 divided by 6, so 900. So the cost price of the table here is 900. Hence, we can write here the cost price of table equal to 900 and the cost price of chair is equal to 400. So this is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 23rd question here, which is A and B have some money with them. A said to B, if you give me rupees 100, my money will become 75% of the money left with you. B said to A, instead if you give me rupees 100, your money will become 40% of my money. So how much money did A and B have originally have? So let us write here, let us assume, let the value of amount A has is equal to X. Let the value of amount B has equal to Y. So if you give me rupees 100, means if A will give, B will give to A, so it will be X plus 100, and here it will be Y minus 100, which is amount to 75% of the money left with you. So it will be 70, 100 minus, here it will be 75 divided by 100. 75% of the money left with B. So X plus 100 equal to Y minus 100. This will be 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4, here we will multiply with 4x plus 400 equal to 3y minus 300. We can write this value as 4x minus 3y plus 400 plus 300 equal to 0. So 4x minus 3y plus 700 equal to 0. Put it as the first equation. Now the second part says that if B said to A, instead if you give me 100 rupees, your money will become 40% of my money. So if B said to A, if you give me 100, means X minus 100 and Y plus 100, it becomes 40% of B value. So it will be 40 divided by 100. This will be cancelled out. Here we will get 2 5. So 5x minus 500 equal to 2y plus 200. We can write this part as 5x minus 2y minus 500 minus 200 equal to 0. So 5x minus 2y minus 700 equal to 0. Um, so here now we can multiply it. So put it as the second equation. We can multiply this part with 2 and this part with 3. On multiplying, we will get 8x minus 6y plus 1400 equal to 0 as third equation. And here 15x minus 6y uh, minus 2100. We will subtract this equation third and fourth. On subtracting here, so here we will subtract. On subtracting, we will get this will be cancelled out, and here we will get on subtracting this value as minus 7x, and on this will be added. So on adding this part here, it will be 31 plus 4 as 35, so equal to minus 3500. This minus minus will be cancelled out. On dividing it, we will get the value of x as 500. So the amount which A has is 500. Now we have to find the value of y. So by putting in the first equation, we can find the value of y. So minus 3y equal to minus 700 minus 4x. So minus 700 minus 2000 equal to minus 2700, and this minus minus will be cancelled out from here, so it will be 900. The value, the amount which B has is equal to 900. So this is the final answer. We can write, hence the amount A has is equal to 500, and the amount B has is equal to 900. So this is the final answer here in this question. This is the answer here. Let us solve the 24th question here, which is the student of a class are made to stand in complete rows. If one student is extra in a row, there would be two rows less. If one student is less in a row, there would be three rows more. Find the number of students in the class. Let the number of students in one row is equal to uh, x, and let the number of rows equal to y. So the total students equal to xy, and the given condition are, according to condition given here, it is if one student is extra in a row, means here it is x plus 1, there would be two rows less, means y minus 2, which will be equal to xy. Put it as the first equation on solving, so here it will be xy minus 2x plus y minus 2 equal to xy. This will be cancelled out, and 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 as the first equation. Now, according to condition second, here we have, according to condition second, here it is if one student is less in a row, there would be three rows more, means if it is one student less, there would be three rows more, which will be equal to xy. So here also xy plus 3x minus y minus 3 equal to xy. This will be cancelling out. Here it will be 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 as the second equation. Now, on solving these two equations, we will firstly multiply with 3, and here with we will not multiply because y will be cancelling out on subtracting the first and second equation. So let us subtract here the first and second equation. On subtracting, we will get 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Here 3x minus y plus minus 3 equal to 0. Here we will get minus plus plus. So this will be cancelling out. Here we will get minus x equal to minus 5. So x is equal to 5 from here, means the number of students in one row is equal to 5. Now we can find the value of y. So it will be 2x plus 2. On putting the value of x, 2 into 5 as 12. So y is equal to 12, means the number of rows is equal to 12 here. Hence, the final answer here is the number of student is equal to 5 and the number of rows is equal to 12. Hence, we have to find the value of xy, means the number of students in the class. So, we will multiply these both values. Xy is equal to 5 into 12 equal to 60. So, this is the final answer, means the strength of the class here is 60 students. Now, let us solve the 25th question here, which says that a jeweler has bars of 18 karat gold and 12 karat gold. So, how much of each must be melted to obtain a bar of 16 karat gold weighing 120 grams and pure gold is of 24 karat? So, let us solve here. A jeweler has bars of 18 karat. Let the 18 karat gold be of x grams, and let the 12 karat gold of y grams. So here on solving, how much of each bar will be melted to obtain a bar of 16 karat gold weighing 120 grams. So according to the first condition, here it is 120. Put it as the first equation. Now the pure karat gold is 24 karat. So firstly we will find the purity here. 18 karat gold is equal to 18 divided by 24 into 100%. So it will be 9, and here 12, here 3, 4. So 300 divided by 4, it will be 150, and here 75%. Now 12 carat here. Sorry, it is not percent, it is carat. 12 carat of gold is equal to 12 divided by 24 into 100, which will be 1 and 2, and this will be 100 divided by 2, so 50%. It is 50% pure. And the according to the second condition, 16 karat gold weighing 120 grams. So 16 karat of gold is equal to 16 divided by 24 into 100. This will be 8, and here 1, 2, 4, 6. So 400 divided by 6 is equal to 3, and here 200. So it is 200 by 3%. Now the second condition here will be formed will be 75x, means 75% of 18 karat gold plus 50% of y grams, and here 200 divided by 3 into 120, because 16 karat gold is of 120 gram. Put it as the second equation. We will here cancel out by 40, so it will be 8,000. Now we can solve by multiplying the first equation by 50 and the second equation by 1. So let us form here the third equation as 50x plus 50y equal to 660. So 5 into 12 as 6,000. Put it as third equation, and here the fourth equation will be 75x plus 50y equal to 8,000. We will subtract this part, these third and fourth equation, to find the value of x and y here. So let us solve here. On solving this part, this will be cancelled out, and here we will get minus 25x equal to minus 2000. Sorry, it is here 8,000. So this minus minus will be cancelled out, and x is equal to 2000 divided by 25 as 5, 400. Here it is 80. So x is equal to 80 here. Now we have to find the value of y. So from the first equation we can find the value of y as 120 minus x, which will be 120 minus 80 as 40. So hence the value of 18 karat gold in grams, x is equal to 80 gram here, and y is equal to 40 gram. So this is the final answer here in this question. Let us solve the 26th question here, which is A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days. If A one day work is 1.5 times the one day work of B, find in how many days can each do the work. So let the one day work of A is equal to X, and let the one day work of B is equal to Y. So X is equal to 3 by 2y according to given information, and x plus y is equal to 1 by 15. So on putting this part here, the value of x here, we will get 3y plus 2y divided by 2 equal to 1 by 15. So y is equal to 2 divided by 15 into 5, which will be approximately 575, 2 by 75. And here we can find the value of x from here by putting here 3 by 2 into 2 by 75. So it will be 25, and here 2 by 50 will be 1 by 25. So it is 1 by 25 here. Now the A can do the work. It is asked that in how many days can each do the work. Means one day work of A is this. So this will be 20 in 25 days. A can do the work, and then 2 by 75 means 1 by 2 by 75 will be the days, in how many days that B will complete the work. So let us write here. Here one day work is X, means one day work is 1 by 25. So 25 days of work will be needed by A to complete the work, and here one day work of B is Y, means it is 2 by 75. So in 75 by 2 days, means 75 divided by 2 days, the work will be completed. Work will be completed by B. So this is the final answer here. Means this will be, we can write here 34 1 by 2 here. So this is the final answer here in this question. Means A can complete the work in 25 days and B can complete the work in 34 and a half
Thank you
days.
for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.